Hello and welcome to Emmo e-bikes. Today we're introducing our motorcycle style e-bike, the Gandan. This bike with a sleek design has all Emmo's new features to give you the best riding experience, high quality components, and stylish look. You see from the right, the throttle with the front brake, 3-speed, cruise control, headlights, and hazard lights. On the left are other controls, the high and low beam, flasher, horn, and also the rear brake. On the remote control, you have a turn on function, an alarm, a turn off key, and a locate function. To charge the bike, open your storage box. There, you'll first see a USB connection with a small light that you can use in the dark. The charging port is right beside that. Plug the charger into the bike first, then to the wall. Once the charging is finished, unplug the wall first and then the bike. The charger has a light indicator where red means charging and green means fully charged. Thank you for choosing Emmo for your next adventure.